Do you want to know how you can keep your marketing materials on brand? Consistent branding can boost your revenue by 33%. So it's important for your tourism business. Hi, I'm Catherine, and in this video, I will show you how you can use Canva's free design tool to add your company's logo, fonts, and colors to your designs. To make quick on-brand graphics for your website, social media, email campaigns, and more. First, you need to have your logo as an image, which is usually in a JPEG or PNG format. You can then upload it to Canva, so you can access it from your Uploads tab later. If you don't have a logo just yet, you can always use Canva's Logo Maker, which allows you to choose from multiple templates and modify them to fit your business. It's a good idea to keep your logo and any other brand materials at hand, and folders can help you with that. Go to Projects and add a new folder. Pick a name, add your logo straight to the folder. Now go ahead and add your colors to your brand kit. You can simply pick the color you need or enter an exact color code called a hex code if you know it. You can add up to 3 colors for free. Now let's do a live example to see how all the elements come together in the actual design. Let's say you're designing an Instagram post for a visitor tour you're about to launch. Canva has all the sizes already set up, so you just select Instagram post template. Start by adding some text to let your customers know how to book it. But don't overdo it, as people don't have time to read loads when they're scrolling. Choose the size and the font. If you know the font you need or like, just search for it and add it. To keep it brand consistent, it's better to use the same font for all your designs. If you want, you can even change the color of your font to match your brand. So now you can add your logo from your Save folder. Click on it or drag it and then adjust it to fit your post. And all of this can be done on Canva for free. I have another tip for you. To enhance your design, you can download Fall to Ireland's assets from the marketing toolbox. For example, you can find free images or add the Discovering Begins Here logo. Or even select a ready-to-go template that's relevant to you and customize it for your brand elements. In other videos, we'll cover how you can create templates on Canva to make it easier to design social media posts, website graphics, and much more. All of this while staying consistent with your marketing. I'll see you next time. And don't forget, for more great content, check out the Keep Discovering Toolkit on the Marketing Toolbox.